Hi, I'm Sarah Nelson, and today I'm going to show you how I use the Youngblood Pressed Mineral Foundation. I first like to start with the primer, and this is the CC Perfecting Primer in the color Bear. Take a little bit on my fingertips and just add a little bit in the T-zone. I'm going to rub it all over your face, and it just helps to really set and perfect the skin for a nice foundation base. Now that I've primed my skin, I'm going to come in with the Youngblood Pressed Mineral Foundation. This is the color Warm Beige, and I'm going to take the enclosed sponge. This is really nice because you can clean this at any time if it gets too dirty, or if you'd like a more lightweight coverage, you can come in with the YB2 brush and just get a little bit and apply it all over the face. If you would like a more medium matte finish, you can come in with this sponge. I really prefer to start and add more coverage around the center of the face. And then I blend it outwards. And this foundation is really, really good for oily skin types. It has the rice setting powder in it that helps absorb any excess oils. It's also a mixture of the Youngblood Loose Mineral Foundation. So it's got that amazing pigment to it. I'm actually gonna take this even on top of my eyelids to correct any redness. And what I love about this pressed foundation is that it has mica in it, which gives this beautiful subtle sheen and give a silky smooth texture. And I'm just kind of stippling this on over areas that I want more coverage. This foundation really helps blur the appearance of pores and imperfections. And I always like to take this product and any foundation that I use down the neck to blend it all together. And I would do this more with a fluffy brush. Make sure there's no excess product. You can just use this nice YB2 brush and blend it out. You can use this pressed mineral foundation on its own as a foundation, or you can mix this with any other Youngblood foundation. You can use the loose mineral foundation at home and then take this for the go in your purse if you need a little touch up throughout the day, if you get really shiny and oily. Now that I have the desired foundation coverage, I'm gonna come in with the Ultimate Concealer. This is one of my favorite products. And I'm just gonna conceal any areas that needed a little extra love. And now to give my face a little warmth, I'm gonna come in with Soleil. I'm gonna lightly brush that on underneath the cheekbones, just to warm up my face a little bit. On the tip of the nose, on the forehead. Then I'm gonna come in with the Pressed Mineral Blush in Tangier. I love this color. I'm just gonna use the same brush, just put a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. And then for a little highlight, I'm gonna come in with the Lunar Dust. This is the color Dusk. This is beautiful kind of golden bronze highlight. This is a YB7 brush, and I'm just going to place that right on my cheekbones. I like to put this highlighter right on top of my eyelid as well. I'm gonna come in with the Outrageous Lashes Mineral Lengthening Mascara. And then to complete the look, I'm going to use the color Malt Lip Liner. And then I'm gonna come in with the color Blushing Nude. I'm just gonna add this right in the center of my lips. It's a beautiful bridal color, by the way, on its own. And here's the final look.